What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a special Caribbean recipe. This is how to make Ducana. Ducana is like something that you normally eat with like saltfish. It's like a but you eat it with savory stuff. I like to eat it by itself. I like to eat it with saltfish. It doesn't really matter to me. You could eat it with beef, you could eat it with whatever you want, but normally it's served with saltfish. I'm going to show you guys my mix up so far and what I have and what I'm going to put in it. And yeah. Oh, so I forgot to mention that y'all want to go ahead and put your water to boil. Like I have my water boiling right now. Before you start to mix the stuff, put your water to boil and then go ahead and mix your stuff. So here we go. We're gonna make the Ducana right now. Here, this is the grated coconut and this is the grated sweet potato. So I'm just mixing them together like so. And then this is half a cup. So I'm going to put half a cup of sugar. Oh geez. Half a cup of sugar. Okay, so geez, that's a big, oh boy, that's a whole mess there. I don't want to put too much sugar, but this looks like a lot, so I'm going to put some cinnamon. Not much cinnamon, so y'all can see. That's a little bit. And then I'm going to grate some nutmeg in here. Show you how the nutmeg looks. That's the nutmeg. Then I'm going to add the vanilla extract. That should be enough. is how it looks when you unwrap it. It's hot. It's firm. Okay, I'm about to sample it. It is hot. But it tastes good. I could eat this with some sausage. It's good. If you enjoy this recipe, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe. My mouth watering because I want more. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.